We'll guide you through how to find TikTok draft videos. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on TikTok, and so you want to go and find your draft videos. We're going to guide you through this step by step. So first of all, a draft video is a video you've been working on TikTok or even a post and you haven't gone and completed it. So what goes and happens is it goes and puts in your draft as perhaps you've still gone and partially edited it or you've recorded it in TikTok and so you don't want to go and lose it or lose the progress you've worked on, and so it's been saved to your drafts and you chose to do that. So when you go and do this, it then means you can go and access it again in the future, which we're going to guide you through how you can do and how you can find it and see it. What we could do here is we could go and continue posting it onto TikTok. You could even go and delete it if you no longer want it. Or what you could do is just go and save it to your gallery so you've got it for your own use and it's not on TikTok. So we're going to guide you through the different options you've got. To get started, we need to go and head to your TikTok profile. So in the bottom right, you'll see the option for profile, which you can then tap on, and here we are. What you need to do is come into your feed, and there you're going to go and see drafts, which we can then go and click on. Now, what you can do is you're going to go and see the different drafts here. These go back in chronological order. So what you can do is go and scroll back and down to go and find the older drafts. So go and find one you want to go and look at potentially, and you can tap on it and go and watch it again. So if you want to go and save this to your gallery without posting it, what you can do is press the arrow at the bottom of the list of the options to the right, and you'll see the option for save at the bottom, which you can then tap on. We've got these different options, so you can go and save post with watermark. You need to actually go and post to go and save without the watermark, and you can go and post to storage to save without watermark. So in this case, I'm just going to go and save post with watermark. I mean, you could always post it, get it saved, and then you could go and delete it. So that is an option, but I'll just go and save it with the watermark and it'll go and be saved. You can go and see the progress just to the right here. It's now been saved. Alternatively, if you want to go and delete it, you can go and select it like so, and you can press delete at the bottom. Or if you want to go and post it, literally just press next at the bottom and you can go and post it as you usually would with a post on TikTok.